Hello children, welcome to Learn with Fun. Today's our session is Class 3 Maths 3-digit addition. In this we are going to learn about addition facts, how to add 3-digit numbers, how to regroup while adding with some examples and word problems. At the end, I will give a small worksheet for you to practice. Now children, let's start our chapter with addition facts. First fact is, numbers can be added in any order. For example, 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Similarly, 3 plus 4 is also 7. Second fact is, when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the number after. For example, 28 plus 1 equal to 29. When 1 is added to 28, the answer comes out to be 29, which is the number after 28. The third fact is, when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. For example, 15 plus 0 equal to 15. When 0 is added to a number 15, answer will be 15 because we are not adding anything to 15. Children, now let us revise these facts through some exercise. First one, 134 plus 1 equal to. The answer is 135, which is according to our fact 2 that when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the number after. Similarly, 25 plus 1 equal to 26, which is based on the same fact. Dash plus 56 equal to 57. The answer is 1 because 57 is the successor of 56. Next, 25 plus dash equal to 25. The answer is 0 because when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Next, 32 plus 4 equal to 4 plus dash. The answer is 32. As we discussed in the first fact that numbers can be added in any order. So 32 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 32. Next, 13 plus dash equal to 14. Answer is 1. Because when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the number after. And you know 14 comes after 13. Now children, let's learn the addition of 3-digit numbers. Add 367 and 212. We will first write the numbers in columns as displayed. Now first add the digit at one's place. That is 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Moving forward to tens place, we will add 6 plus 1 which is equal to 7. And then add the digits at hundreds place, 3 plus 2 which is equal to 5. So our answer is 579. Now let's learn the addition with regrouping ones place. Here the example to regroup ones place is add 357 and 424. So first write the numbers in the column form. Now we will start adding the digits at ones place. 7 plus 4 equal to 11. Since 11 is a 2-digit number, we will read 11 into 1 tens which will act as a carry and 1 ones. Now tell me children, how to write this answer? We will write 1 in ones column and 1 act as a carry to tens place. Now next, add digits at tens place. 5 plus 2 plus 1 which is the carry and the answer gives us 8. Now let's add the digits at hundreds place. 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. So our answer comes out to be 781. Now children, let's learn addition with regrouping at tens place. Here the example is to add 248 and 387. Let us first write numbers in column form. Now add the digits at ones place. 8 plus 7 equal to 15. Regroup 15 into 1 tens, that is carry, and 5 ones. We will write 5 in ones column and 1 as a carry at tens place. Now let's add the digits at tens place. 4 plus 8 plus 1, which is a carry. The answer gives 13. Again regroup 13 into 1 carry and 3 tens. We will write 3 at tens place and 1 act as a carry at hundreds place. In the last, add the digits at the hundreds place. 2 plus 3 plus 1, which is the carry, gives us 6. So our final answer is 635. Now children, let us learn the addition with regrouping hundreds place. Here our example is to add 643 and 378. Let us first write the numbers in column form. We will start adding the digits at ones place. So 3 plus 8 is 11. Since it is a 2-digit number, we will regroup 11 into 1 tens, which will act as a carry, and 1 ones. We will write 1 at ones place and 1 will go to tens place. Now let's add the numbers at tens place. 4 plus 7 plus 1 equal to 12. Again regrouping 12 into 1 carry and 2 tens. Moving forward, we will add a digit at hundreds place. 6 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 10. Again we will regroup 10 into 1 carry and 0 hundreds. Now 1 will act as a carry to the thousands place and we will add the thousands, which is only 1 in this case. So finally our answer is 1021. Now children, let's start how to solve word problem related to addition. The question is, there are 1874 students in class 3 section A and 237 students in section B. How many students are there in all? Now let's first understand the problem. There are 1874 students in section A and 237 students in section B, and we have to find out total number of students in school. We will first write the statement about the things given in the question. Students in section A equal to 1874, students in section B equal to 237, and total number of students will be the sum of students in section A and students in section B. That is 1874 plus 237. Now let's do the addition by writing these two numbers in column form. Now we will add the digit present at ones place. So 4 plus 7 equal to 11. We will regroup 11 and put 1 at ones place while 1 will act as a carry. And we will go to tens place. We will add the digits at tens place now. So 7 plus 3 plus 1, which is the carry, gives us again 11. We will regroup this 11 again and we will put digit 1 at tens place and 1 will act as a carry. Now we will add the digits at hundreds place, that is 8 plus 2 plus 1, which gives us 11. So we will put 1 at hundreds place and other one at carry, which goes to thousands place. Now we will add the digits at thousands place, that is 1 plus 1, which gives us 2. So our final answer is 2111. But children, we should not leave the answer just by adding these numbers. We should also write the answer statement. So our statement will be, there are 2111 students in the school. Now children, I will give a small worksheet for you to practice. First question, write in columns and find the sum for the following. A. 9,874 plus 6,462. B. 4,247 plus 854. C. 5,798 plus 87. D. 4,876 plus 3,975. Second question, there are 7,598 pens in a blue box and 2,937 pens in yellow box. How many pens are there in all? Third one, in the garden, 274 marigolds, 183 sunflowers and 687 roses are there. How many flowers are there in the garden? Fourth question, on Sunday, 1,648 men, 379 women and 1,287 children visited the circus. How many people in all visited the circus on Sunday? Here ends today's session, addition of 3-digit number with regrouping. In the next session, I will make you learn how to subtract 3-digit number with regrouping. Till then, children, practice the worksheet given and take care of yourself. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.